If manufacturing is the backbone of global power, then Asia isn't just ahead. It's already won the first half of the game. And it didn't happen overnight. Over the past years, Asia quietly became the factory of the world. Not because of cheap labor alone, but because of speed, scale, and coordination. Welcome to the Global Mac Brief, clear breakdowns of global power, economics, and the forces shaping the future. Now, let's dive right into it. Today, Asia produces the majority of the world's goods, from smartphones and semiconductors to ships, steel, and solar panels. So how did this shift happen? And why hasn't the West been able to reverse it? Manufacturing doesn't move one factory at a time. It moves in clusters. In Asia, entire ecosystems formed. Suppliers, logistics, hubs, ports, engineers, and skilled labor, all in the same region. When one factory scales up, 5 more appear around it. This creates a feedback loop: faster production, lower costs, shorter supply chains. Once that ecosystem exists, it's incredibly hard to replicate elsewhere. One of the biggest differences between Asia and the West is speed. In many Asian countries, large infrastructures or industrial projects move from approval to production in years, sometimes in months. In contrast, Western systems often take years just to clear regulations, lawsuits, and political gridlocks. Speed compounds. Faster builds mean faster learning. Faster learning means faster dominance. Another key factor is alignment. Across much of Asia, governments, banks, and manufacturers tend to move in the same direction. This doesn't mean zero mistakes, but it does mean long-term planning, industrial policy, and strategic patience. While the West often prioritizes short-term shareholder returns, Asia invests in decades-long manufacturing capacity. Many Western countries talk about bringing manufacturing home, but rebuilding supply chains isn't just about factories. It's about people, skills, ports, and trust. And those take decades to rebuild. Manufacturing left slowly, and it won't return quickly. Asia's manufacturing dominance isn't accidental. It's a result of systems designed for scale, speed, and long-term thinking. The real question isn't whether Asia leads manufacturing, it's whether the rest of the world can adapt to a new global reality. Because the factory floor is where the future is built. If you want clear, calm breakdowns of global power shifts, subscribe to the Global Mac Brief. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.